Introducing the Mystflame Electric Fireplace, a fusion of modern design and functional warmth that promises to elevate your living space. This innovative electric fireplace offers a stylish slim frame design, flexibility in installation, and remarkably realistic flame effects with personalized settings. Whether you're seeking a cozy evening by the fire or a captivating centerpiece for your home, this electric fireplace is designed to enhance both your decor and your comfort. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and benefits of this exceptional addition to your home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stylish slim frame design. This electric fireplace boasts a sleek and stylish slim frame design that sets it apart from other fireplaces in the market. Its ultra-narrow bezel feature adds a touch of modern elegance to any room. The dark-colored frame not only complements various interior decor styles, but also enhances the visual appeal of the flames. When this fireplace is in operation, the vibrant hues of the flames are beautifully accentuated by this frame, creating a captivating and colorful fire display that instantly grabs your attention. Number 2. In-wall recessed and wall-mounted flexibility. One notable feature of this electric fireplace is its installation flexibility. It can be recessed into the wall, giving it a seamless and built-in appearance that saves space and adds sophistication to your living space. Alternatively, it can be wall-mounted, allowing homeowners to choose the installation method that suits their preferences and room layout. The package includes easy-to-follow instructions that enable homeowners to install the unit on their own, saving installation costs. Number 3. Realistic flame effects with personalized settings. This electric fireplace doesn't just offer heat. It also provides a remarkably realistic flame effect. Ultra-high-intensity LED lights are employed to create lifelike and bright flames that mimic the appearance of a genuine wood-burning fireplace. What sets this fireplace apart is its ability to customize the flame effects to match your mood and ambience preferences. You can choose from 3 flame colors and 3 top light colors, allowing you to switch from the gentle glow of quiet embers to the warmth of a raging blaze at the touch of a button. The included remote control makes it easy to adjust both the heat and flame settings from the comfort of your couch. Number 4. Faux fire logs and crystal hearth included. To further enhance the authenticity of this electric fireplace, it comes equipped with Faux fire logs and glass crystals that resemble burning coals. This combination replicates the look and feel of a traditional fireplace, providing a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your home. You can easily switch between different ember beds and flame colors to match the mood of your space. Whether you're having a quiet night in or hosting a lively family gathering or party, the gorgeous, realistic dancing flames create a fantastic ambience that adds to the overall enjoyment of your home. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 5.51 inches, depth by 45 inches, width by 17.72 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Stylish slim frame design enhances the decor. Jewel installation options, recessed or wall-mounted. Realistic and customizable flame effects. Remote control for convenient operation. Includes Faux fire logs and glass crystals. 1 reason not to buy. Some users may find it relatively heavy. Conclusion. The Mystflame Electric Fireplace, with its stylish design, realistic flame effects, and customizable settings, is a versatile and attractive addition to any living space. It effortlessly combines functionality with state-of-the-art design, making it not only a source of warmth, but also a centerpiece of decor in your home. Whether you choose to recess it into the wall or mount it, this fireplace adds a touch of elegance and coziness to your living room or entertainment center. With its ability to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, This electric fireplace is a must-have for those looking to enhance their home's ambience and comfort. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.